Alright, bet we in the building. So welcome to the page, man. Today we're gonna try to make like probably Afro bit, something 100, you know what I mean, BPM. But if you're new here, man, welcome, welcome. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like, subscribe button, so you know what I'm saying. You can tap in with me anytime. But let's get this BPM on track, though. Let's go. Let's close this. Alright, bet. Let's find eight. You know what I'm saying? Electric piano. Yeah. Let's do it. What this is. We ain't doing that right now, right? Alright, we're gonna get to it though. Let me see if everything, alright, everything in place, right? Everything in place. No. Why not? Why not? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Why not? Why not? You know, that's what you, just have fun with it. Why not? Well, okay, maybe we can, why not? Right, you might throw that up there, but let's see. Hmm. Like this. Okay. Alright, so we got this, right? Right. Everybody can feel the vibe, right? Can't find it down here, right? We're gonna let this ride like this. Yeah. Wow. We're gonna go right here, probably gonna look for like maybe a drum loop, you know what I'm saying? Just to get things going. Like the first one though. You feel me? Yeah. What y'all wanna do? Like, I mean, I think that. It's just this simple, but I mean, there's not much to it, you feel me? Like the pattern too, I might do some kick, you know? Why not? You know what I mean? Why? Y'all better not. Okay. Yeah. I'ma double that and then put it on in the second one, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, why not? You dig? Alright, so let's go back to melody. Uh, 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 yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got my dog watching me right now. I don't know how this gonna sound though. Go ahead, toilet. Let's go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And now, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna find something interesting. I'm just trying to see, you know. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. You sound better up here, right? Oh, yeah. What else we can put on there? Hold on, am I missing something? I don't think I'm gonna add that. I'm just putting ideas down. Boom, we don't need that. Boom. We're gonna let that flow like this, right? I like the sound of this. Okay. What else we can put on there? I don't even want to hear that. Oh. Hold on. Hard. Let's see what they got done. Hold on. That's it. That's it. That's all. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna make this video too, you know what I'm saying, too long. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, go behind the scene, do what I gotta do, polish it a little bit better. But yeah, man, that's how you put an idea down. Really, I really didn't have an idea. I was really just freestyling, to be honest. So there you have it, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, you know what I mean?